This is the fastest way to turn any Canva design into a cinematic video ad. So stick into this amazing video. I will show you how you can create amazing stuff like this. Right inside the Canva. Wait, we are also going to use the VO3 model by Google to animate our design. All you have to do is just go into the Canva and open an amazing video project, because currently VO3 is supporting the landscape video size. So we are just going to open an amazing landscape size video project. So here you can create an amazing static design around travel. In this particular video, I am just showcasing a city travel, the Kolkata city travel. I have already created the design around using couple of images, the text. So you can also create an amazing static design inside the Canva in this particular size. You can also open the presentation as well. So you can use the elements or the image you can add. You can put the text like travel around the world. Okay, you can put it on top. As I have already created the design, so we are going to use this particular design in this video. So I'm just click on this and download, and make sure you download your design in the PNG format, the static one, not the animated one. So once it will download, so we will open the Canva AI. So just click on this Canva AI button on the Canva homepage. Here you can select the video clip, and now you can just add your image or design you have downloaded. Just add your design, and here are my prompts. I can just paste my prompt. You can see, if you want this particular prompt, you can check out the description where I'll add my prompt work, which allow you to access the thousands of or hundreds of free prompt, so you can utilize along with the use cases. So you can see this is my prompt for this particular video, and just hit this blue button. So it will start working on my prompt and create amazing cinematic video ad with animated design inside the VO3, which is powered by. So let's wait. So here you can see we have amazing video which we asked for. An amazing travel ad of the Kolkata travel with a cinematic city landscape video which we are expecting, and amazing animation and the transition effect which we will definitely use to promote our business. If you are a travel agent, this is gonna be game changer for you. So you can download it and you can try it with couple of use cases for your business or for your client business. So in this way, you can also create amazing stuff like this right inside the Canva. You can also use Gemini to create this amazing animation effect if you don't have the Canva Pro. So just create your design in Canva, animate by using the VO3 powered by Gemini. So that's it for this amazing video. Banao and amazing stuff share karo mere saath on Instagram. You can subscribe the YouTube channel as well. So till then, take care of yourself. Tata and bye bye. See you into the next amazing video. Bye.